Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and I'm back today with another really cool card trick. I really hope you guys enjoy because it's really cool. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm just going to shuffle the cards. Alright, and I'm going to have you, as a spectator, just tell me when to stop. Stop right here. Alright, so you told me where to stop this card. I'm not going to look at it. I'm going to turn away. Alright, this card right here. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to get this card just lost in the deck. Just get the card lost in the deck. But now watch. If I just wave my hand over the deck, and I'm going to ask my friend Alexa here to pick a number. Alexa, pick a number 1 through 20.
Here's a number between 1 and 20. It's 16.
16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Was that your card? No, it wasn't. Oh, no. Oh my god. You know what, guys? I'm done. I give up on magic. I don't want to do this anymore. Let's just watch an episode of Jane the Virgin.
I'm sure Jane said nice things, but I'm still rattled, so I can't pretend to be touched right now. Do you think Chuck did it?
I don't know. But is this your card?
Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed that trick. So here's the tutorial. Obviously, you're forcing the 3 of clubs any way you want to force it, and obviously somehow you're just going to get the card wrong. And then say, oh, I give up on magic, let's just watch Jane the Virgin. And then cut to the video. I'm going to leave a timestamp right here for where the video is at so you can use it. And then yeah, that's the trick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. You know what to do.